Hi everyone, welcome to this class. In today we'll be learning how to draft and sculpt and make this sculptured cup. So this is a very deep corset cup, which is also good for bust caging and all of that. You see the ones displayed, they are the ones I made using the pattern from the class. So if this is what you are looking at to learn, and which is very important if you have been struggling on how to make a good corset cup, this tutorial is definitely for you. So stick to the end of the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you are here to do that, to get notified anytime we have a new tutorial. And like, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and also share the video. If you want to join my WhatsApp request group, the link will be in the description box. So thank you for joining us, and let's get started. Okay, so to draft this Now to join it together, I'll be joining 1 and 2 first, 3 and 4 together, then we'll join the both sides together. Very well. So once we have the cup like this, now we'll take it to our pattern paper and draft out the full bodice. So we'll be using this cup to cut out the cup area of the bodice we'll be drafting. All right, so to draft the bodice now, we have the pattern ruled out like this. So this is my chest line, the shoulder line, the bust. Okay, so we have this here like this. So you bring the cup that you've pinned together like this. You are going to be making sure that this line here, this center, that line is same thing with this. So that's the essence of me drafting it out. And don't forget also for the front, we stepped in by ½ inch for the corset center front. So you do the same thing here, just mark it out like this so as to know where to place your cup. Okay, so you have this now. So this line must align with this on the underbust. Sorry, this is the underbust. So you place it on the underbust like this, and it must not go beyond the half inch we have on the center. So you have it on the under bust like this, so you just use your paper tape to hold it down. This will be on the under bust line, so this on the under bust line, and also this on the 0.5 inch we measured earlier. So you tape this one down also like this, so as to secure the cup on the pattern. So you have this here like this. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to get the yoke for this, and also to cut out the shape when we want to cut out this pattern. You know, we don't have the shape of the cup yet. So once you have this now, you just take your pencil and you try and follow the line of the cup you have here. So you have this here like this, and also this part for the yoke. Just follow the shape of the cup you have here. Okay, so this is what we have. So you can take it off now. So this is what the cup is going to be looking like on the pattern paper. So we have this here like this. So when you are drawing this out, please be careful so as to get the right one. And don't forget, here we've not done our armhole. Okay, so this is what the corset is going to be looking like. This upper part now will be for the yoke. You determine whatever neck you want it to have. So I'm just going to have a round simple neck. Okay, so with this now, you take your paper, your pattern, your cup now. It's a 3-piece. You can make it a 3-piece or a 2-piece depending on you. So you just take off the masking tapes and style it, so you separate your cup. So I'll be using this as one, and I'll be separating the down part also. So that is that on how to get a deep cut corset cup. So thank you for joining us in our class, and the back is just going to be a basic back for a corset. So thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next class.